Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, open quick settings app, open quick settings panel, turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, click on done. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps and click on CR. Scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. Click on Bluetooth and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache storage. So after clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset network settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset network settings. Click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.